Good evening, everybody. Welcome to eCurious Mind Book Read Club. Be the change to bring the change. Today, we are looking at chapter 8 from Trevor's book, which is Dive into Inquiry Assessment Edition. Something we keep our focus lens on, we zoom into are the relationships pave the way. As Trevor says in the book, if we all are talking about student-centered learning, it's imperative that we are also talking about how we can more actively, intentionally and consistently decenter ourselves in classroom to lift up our students. To dive more into it, we have our two very able session leaders today with us, Miss Reema and Miss Nisha Wahi, who's going to take us through the journey of learning. So I hand it over to you, both of you. Please take over.
Good evening, everyone.
Good evening.
I welcome you all to eCurious Minds, which is a learning and a teaching platform for IB teachers and leaders. Be the change to bring the change. The belief is to create and grow through collective collaboration, a non-judgmental and agentic learning community to bring a change from local to global. We are at chapter 8, Relationships Pave the Way. I, Reema Malik, along with Nisha Wahi, extend our sincere gratitude towards Pallavi to give us an opportunity to share our learning or togetherness of the book. So let's continue. So, dear passionate educators, please show us your artifact or an object that describes or tells us about your passion. By using the thinking routine, what makes you say that? Others will try to guess your passion, and this will help us to know each other and build relationships.
So who would like to go first? Anyone volunteer? I don't mind going first. So I have carried this. Why do you think I have carried this? Can you all see?
No, Nisha.
Oh,
yeah.
Now we saw it.
Yes.
We saw it.
Frog.
It's a frog, and what is it?
Okay.
Is it because of my background?
Yeah,
I'll
I
just
think it's because of
remove.
the background.
Yeah, we cannot
Yeah.
see.
Just keep your hand here and put your object
There.
so it will be visible. Then you don't have to
Now
remove
can
your
you
word.
see?
Yes. Yes.
Yes.
Yes.
If you stop
It's a
share
pin.
screen and then we spotlight, it will be more clear. The screen has to
Okay.
you
Yeah.
could stop share the screen. Yeah.
We can see you. Yeah.
It's a pin.
Bookmark.
Yeah. It's a bookmark. So why do you think I've carried a bookmark?
You are ferocious
Because you
reader.
love reading.
You love to read. You're an avid reader.
I am an avid reader. I love reading. And what I really enjoy most, I read a lot. I mean, any kind of storybooks, fiction, non-fiction, magazine, you name it, and I'm all the time reading. It's like in the whole day, I'm constantly reading. And if anybody wants to know more about me, they know that I love reading. So
It's a
that's my artifact.
very pretty artifact and bookmark.
Now
I
you should
al-
ask her
and
where she should how she got it.
Sorry, I just wanted to add, whoever wants recommendation of the books that I've just recently read, I'm game for it. I'll tell you the good ones that I've read.
Please put it in our
Absolutely. We will
WhatsApp
take you up on that. May I go next?
group. Yes, please.
All right. Do you see this?
No, it's getting blur.
It's a necklace
Okay.
You
with
have-
beads.
Yes, it is a necklace.
So you like collaboration. You create a group. You create your own set of people. You collaborate them with your own magic. Different people and one magic.
Yes, different colors, different people, absolutely. So yes, I do that. I'm quite creative, and I like to think that I'm creative. I'm into quite a few fine arts. And one another interesting thing about this is that this comes from a specific place that I have worked in. Can anybody guess?
Is it Kenya?
Africa. Nisha, you're not allowed. Purti, you're not allowed. Chandri, you're not allowed to speak.
Who's left?
Okay, so this comes from Tanzania, where I was working. So this is one of the, a traditional ornament of theirs.
I have the same neck piece.
Yeah. All right.
This
So,
is my,
yeah.
this is my, yeah,
Stone.
Crystal.
Shape.
We know that you do a lot of tarot reading.
yes, that's right. That's right.
So is it
You're
anything
also-
connected with
Is it also some crystal therapy? Nowadays, I believe you can do therapy with crystals also.
I've been doing that for, I think, 18, 19 years.
Okay, so yes, so that's what it is. And what is it? Moonstone.
It's rose
No,
quartz.
it's rose quartz.
Yes, it is rose quartz.
Okay.
So I think you do a lot of healing, and you use this rose quartz, rose quartz for that purpose.
Yes. And the shape, anything to do with the shape which tells about me?
You're a heart person.
Yes.
Very
You're a-
warm, loving person.
Yes.
And you want love. You want love. You give love. You receive love.
Absolutely. Bang on. Bang on.
Person with heart of rose.
Bang on. Yes, that's
Colorful
correct.
heart, colorful rainbow heart, colorful
Yeah.
rainbow heart. Putting all the colors in. Very good.
Thank you. Let's see some.
This is mine.
You love to
Sonia.
write. You are a person full of content. Where people shout about
Yes.
content nahi hai, content nahi. There Sonia comes, the queen of content. You love to do
Yes.
Also the
So-
shapes. You're a math person. There are shapes.
Oh,
and,
yes. Chandrai, I didn't deliberately choose this. I thought it's just this thing, but my God, good observation. Yes. So it actually combines two of this. And math I've always been sort of drawn to, but the writing is a more recent passion. So it's never you're never too old to discover or, do something new.
Also, it tells about yourself. I think you're more organized. I like where the pen is stuck. That's where you have to.
Yeah.
Okay, if I may go. I don't know if you can see.
Yes, please.
Can you see?
Ah.
Yes.
You
A ring.
What is it? It's a
You
ring,
like-
yes.
you like to collect beautiful things. You're a collector. You have an eye for beauty.
Beauty.
You want
Yes.
beautiful person around her also.
And
Surrounded
you-
with beautiful people.
And you reflect that also. You're a very beautiful person within.
Yes.
So talking
Inside
about
out.
reflect,
So something
talking about reflect, Vinny told me that this is an antique ring. And in earlier days, the brides used to wear rings like this, and the center used to be a mirror. So when they were going, in the palki or going towards anywhere, they would look at that little mirror and see themselves, because those days you didn't have these compact boxes or anything coming out of the mirror. So the ring served that purpose. And what is it called, Vinny?
RC.
RC.
And you have to wear it in
Ah.
the thumb. You wear it in the thumb.
Yeah, wear it in the thumb.
Easy to see, no?
So I have a collection of lots of big rings.
I
Well-
have to come to Delhi now. One tarot card, one collector.
Purti, you're more than welcome. You're more than
Absolutely.
welcome. Come.
And go shopping, Purti.
I know Nisha, both of us, and anyone. wants to
Yes.
come
I'll go.
before I go. Yes, please.
I'll go next. This is a Fulkari dupatta.
And very
it has
traditional. You love you're a
Colourful.
blend of
some,
tradition and modernity.
okay. So,
This is
yes, you're right. I am quite traditional at heart and yes, very open-minded also. So I'm thinking of making, this is actually belonging to my mother and this dupatta is with me. So I'm thinking of making some things for the house now, like, some upholstery, maybe small cushions or something like that, so that it stays with me for a longer time. So that's why.
Yes,
Wow.
Trying to be creative.
Yes, Miss Purti,
Sonam,
go
I'll give
ahead.
you another name for this. Sonam,
Yeah. Yes. Yes,
this
Vinny.
is called Bag also, you know.
Yes, it's called bag
Bag.
also.
It's bag. It's called Bag
Yes,
also because
bag
there's
work.
hardly any space in between, you know.
Yes. You're right. It is from Patiala actually,
Yeah,
if
yeah.
you
Yes.
know about it. So it is quite famous there. So that's it.
Okay, whose turn? Miss Purti, you were showing us something. And then Miss Gayatri.
This is always on my in my table because this is now my study area. But
It's a pen.
Oh,
And there's some
Chinese.
Chinese written.
Chinese
Yes.
written on it.
From your travels
You
and
worked.
stays in China.
Yes. The
Oriental.
culture of China.
Yes.
and
Very
I'm
nice.
like educator and I like to know culture and I like history
You,
and I
you
like
love to learn about the tradition, maybe the Chinese culture and tradition.
that was
Very,
one.
very open-minded person. Supportive, open-minded, flexible, lovable.
Yes.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, who's
Can I
going
go
next?
next?
Yes, please.
Yes, Nadia.
Okay, something very simple.
Oh,
Cooking. She loves cooking.
Very nice.
but
Nice looking ladle.
I
So-
know.
Yes.
Very
Okay,
chic, artistic.
very nice.
Nadia
So
loves
you like
cooking,
you
right?
So I'm a,
you like to
yeah, I
blend.
think the time when I'm not an educator, I'm in the kitchen cooking and I'm a good host. People come to my house because they know they'll get good food to eat.
Be curious, Pune. Be
Yes,
curious.
absolutely.
Pune now.
Gayatri, now Gayatri
Nadia,
and
we
then
like
Matt.
to eat.
We
Yes,
all are
yes.
foodies. Nadia, we all are foodies.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. It's love to see. I would love to see all this, but
Just
I will share
Rima,
my screen.
Rima,
Yeah.
if we can
People
get
left.
two more people chance.
Matt is I think wearing something. Yeah, very interesting
Matt,
also.
Matt has been raising hand and Gayatri has been requesting.
Sure, Pallavi.
Even
Please.
I see
Just
Tasneem's
I
hand
want-
also.
Tasneem also.
Pallavi, even I want to show a very interesting thing.
Lovely.
Okay,
Pose.
sure.
Done.
Yeah, me too.
Okay. Go
Oh my
ahead.
God.
Go ahead, Gayatri.
Me too.
Yes.
Me
Oh, wow. Veena.
Gayatri, go ahead.
Can you see? Oh my God, that's the screen, huh?
Yes.
Origami.
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 Yes.
Creative person.
You love to
Very
do
creative.
origami. Very therapeutic.
And lovely bright color, nice and yellow with
Till-
And
detail.
if you
Yes.
if you
It's a
see the
favorite
folds,
color.
what do you see? Yeah, if you see the folds, what do you see?
The dress.
Yes.
Detail.
Perfection.
You love to wear dress.
It's
Small
detailing and
folds.
perfect.
Folds.
Small.
folds.
Yeah,
So,
perfection.
not perfection so much, but I believe in the power of small steps.
Oh, lovely. lovely.
Okay, very
Wow.
nice.
Right. Thank you.
Yeah, Matt. Let's go for it, buddy.
Okay, yeah. Hope you can see this. It's like a, well, what do you think? Maybe it's like a precious stone.
Let me
Can you see?
Eye, fish eye.
Fish.
Very
Looks
nice.
like a fish.
Spotlight.
Yeah.
Is it a tribal, like a tribal
Oh,
Maori?
a moon.
A Maori, this thing?
Okay, well, it's from my my home country, so New Zealand. So I guess because I'm overseas in Vietnam right now, I carry it with me because it reminds me of home, and it reminds me of nature. 'Cause I like nature, and also it was a present. I used to take care. Well, there used to be a boy I looked after every weekend because he had no father. So every weekend I would take him out for a couple of hours and be his buddy, and so he gave it to me before I left New Zealand. So it's a memory of him as well.
Wow. So
Very
lovely.
meaningful.
So
Very
how
meaningful.
a deep waters of unconditional
Yes.
love. Lovely,
Yeah.
Matt.
It says so much about you.
Yes.
Thank you.
Okay, Tasneem. No? Okay. We carry on then. Sure.
Yeah, I'm left. I'm left. I'm left.
Sorry, Ji,
Meena.
sorry.
I'm left.
Sorry, Meena, sorry.
Yeah, me too. Me too.
Virender also.
All
Yes.
right.
Flower vase.
Yeah, but this is specially from China. My daughter gifted. So I put it as complete dark clouds, and then silver, instead of silver lining, this has gold lining.
Wow.
Wow.
Wow. So it also talks about the years of experience that you have accumulated, how and what kind of gold that you are that you're shining now.
Optimistic, always, always.
Very nice, Meena.
Okay, let's go to
Should I show?
who wanted to go
Should
next.
I show?
Yes, Vinny.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
Where are you?
It's a big thing. I have to go back and show you.
Okay.
Can you see?
Yes.
Oh, your tradition.
No.
No, it's not. It's basically my father's. You know, he was in the army,
Wow.
and this was presented to him after 1965 war.
Wow.
Wow. This is all
Amazing.
made of silver, you know. And in
Wow,
our
Vinny.
tradition, when, you know, even my husband carried it when he was coming to
Married.
marry me, we have to carry.
Yeah.
And, you know, when there is a piece, you have to tie this rakhi on it. This is a
Wow.
sign of
Oh.
no
Yes.
war is happening.
Okay.
Any like sword or any gun, you have to tie this.
How wonderful.
Okay.
Yes. And if I have to, like, my husband has to take for any ceremony, he cannot hold it like this. He has to hold it like that. Mean he has come for peace. Now, how you hold it also, you know.
Wow. Wow. All right. Tasneem, last.
My passion is I always wanted to join army because my husband is the only one who's not in the army. There's everybody is in the army. Dada, pardada, bahan, bhai.
You're
nanan,
training
sab
the
one.
soldiers. Madam, you are
Yes.
in the army.
I'm very committed and disciplined.
See? Okay, the last one now, Tasneem. Then we move ahead.
Me, I'm left.
Acha, Komal. Ruko, let me put you on spotlight.
It's your culture, Tasneem. It tells us more about you.
Yes, so this is something that talks about my religion. I am a very religious person and I believe a lot in the power of prayers. So this is a specific prayer which talks about light, Noor, the word Noor that we say. So I always believe that we educators impart so much light and love. So this is something which is very, very personal to me. It's called Surat-e-Noor and it gives out a lot of light when we recite this. So this is something very close to my heart as well. That's why. So, and it's on a canvas painted, hand painted. So that's why another reason of bringing it, because I also love painting. So that's another reason of getting this together on a canvas. Otherwise, it's in a book. We've painted this on a canvas. Yeah.
Very nice.
Lovely.
Lovely, lovely.
Please take over. Komal last. Chalo, Komal, your turn.
This is mine. Okay. This is mine. And this also, if anybody can, there's a print on it. Okay. So if anybody can guess what it means.
Let me spotlight you.
Yeah,
Show it again.
Yes. So this is a cup.
Very
And
pretty.
Very
So pretty.
Becoming
Delicate and-
Something written about. You got it in your wedding as a wedding gift?
No.
Monogrammed?
No, so I represent myself as a cup, which is, you know, filling up with education and, you know, knowledge with everyone around the world, not only, you know, people who I meet every day, everything that I learn from everyone, it's like etched in my life. It's like printed.
Wow.
So I truly believe
Lovely.
that I'm a lifelong learner because each and every person puts in their bit here. So yes.
Wonderful. I love the thought, Komal.
Thank you.
Really nice.
Yes.
Okay, Nisha, please carry on.
Yes, Rima, can we start sharing the screen?
So yes, I would like you to see this. Now I do not know how to share audio here.
You want me to do that? You want me to?
When you
Yeah.
share, Rima, you have to, yeah. Okay.
So in Zoom, forgot. Seems. I will
stop
stop
sharing.
sharing. I will stop sharing. Yeah. So I want you to see this video and reflect on it.
Rima, are you sharing? Yes.
Nisha, can you share this video? Because
Okay, yes, I will.
audio, Nisha.
Nisha,
Audio is not there.
Nisha, check for the audio, please.
Yes, I am. I did check.
Else you drop the link in the chat box. We'll quickly look at it and come back.
Wait. Let me do it again.
पर भूख मार के धूल झाड़ ले छोड़ छाड़ के सारे छप्पर हट समंदर अपना अब तू अपने दम पर हट समंदर अपना अंबर खोज ले अब तू अपने दम पर
Trust is the new currency of our interdependent and collaborative world.
Just you need to close the window, Nisha. The video and the sound is on. Yeah, thank you. We've started getting a lot of reflections in the chat box. Yes, I think you've hit the nail. Holistic development, relationship, making the difference in their life, the power of change, learning and teaching should be of student interest, engaging students in their own learning. And yes, no hindrances. Nisha and Rima.
Yes. So what we are trying to say is of building relationship. How you build relationship with everyone. What are the things that you need to do to build relationships? How do you do that? What are the things? How do you go out of your comfort level to be able to build that relationship? And there was a point that he was made to move from your comfort level, move out to get in. And that's what we are trying to do by doing things differently so that we are able to reach out to the children. So now we get into our next activity, which is our breakout room activity. And what we are going to be doing, we have for each room, we want you to come up with some strategies that we will immediately be able to take it into our classrooms. And there are six definitions that we have given, which we want you to come up with strategies which can be used if we are virtually in the classroom or if we are, can you all see my screen?
Not really, Nisha. You have, you're flashing Teams.
Yeah. Okay, wait. Sorry.
No worries. This is...
Should I share, Nisha?
Yeah. You want me to share? It's okay.
It's okay, I will share. Give me a minute.
Mine is open, so I'll do it. Okay, here it is. Okay, can you see the screen? Yes. So we need to come up with different strategies for, you will be divided into the breakout room. The engagement, the learning engagement is given over here. Do remember to build on your approaches to learning, the collaboration skill, where you will be listening to others' viewpoint and you will be stating your viewpoint. You will be building on your perspective and you will be listing down strategies that can be used as homeroom teachers to building strong relationships. What are the things that one can do to build strong relationship? We already saw Rani Mukherjee taking the children out, doing things in an interesting manner, something which builds on their curiosity. So how are you going to build a strong relationship which you want with your children in the classroom? So how will you do that? Same way, if you look at the second activity, the room 2 will look at what strategies you will use to give non-judgment answers or feedback. Where you're not judging a child, you are not trying to put your ideas and convey what you think. It needs to be something which is very non-judgmental and you're not forming an opinion about the child. But you want that feedback to be used by the child. Okay, the next, another room will be looking at how do we know that our students, how do we get to know our students' passions and interests? What should one do during the first week? We're all starting with our school. How do we know about our passions and interests? We did one activity where we asked you to carry artifacts. What can you do in your classroom that will you will get to know their students' passions and interests? Room 4 will look at how do we build trust amongst all stakeholders. And here we are not looking at the trust amongst the teacher-student relationship. We are looking at teacher-teacher trust, teacher-principal trust. We are looking at all the stakeholders. Teacher-parent trust, which is so important. If you do not have the relationship with your parents, trust me, you have lost the battle. And it's so important as homeroom teachers to build that trust and that relationship. How would you do that? What are the things that you need to do to build that relationship? How do we build a culture of learning that allows students to feel psychologically safe? A culture in which risk-taking, exploring our vulnerabilities and finding failures are the norm. You build from the classroom and then you move on towards the whole school. How would you build that culture where children feel comfortable to share their failures with others? There's not a competitive spirit. What can we do to build that? And it doesn't happen overnight. It takes time to build that. So how would we do that? Student-teacher relationship impact student agency. Using the color, strategy of color, symbol, image, share your ideas.
So absolutely, please, Pallavi, can you divide all of us into rooms? And then there is another slide after each question so that you all can write over there.
I'm opening the rooms. Approximately 3 and 4 in a room.
Yeah, and can we just have 12 minutes, please?
All right. Please join your rooms.
And I've shared PowerPoint also.
Okay.
So should I share the screen so that we can go to slide number 3? Huh?
Yes, please.
I've opened it, so I'll share. I hope we can write on it. Can you see my screen?
You'll be able to write on it.
Okay, so we are going to room number 3, and this is our question. How do we get to know our student, passions and interests? Plan strategies.
Ask them to vote also now on Mentimeter. You can give them some choices. They can vote. They can tell what they're more interested in.
Right. So I'm writing in Mentimeter.
Yeah. So for literacy, Chandre, to get the passion, because we want to develop the love for books. So there are these choice cards. So they can pick up on fiction, non-fiction. They can pick up a novel or something. So you're giving them that. That's how you could gauge when it comes to reading.
Hi. Start your work. Share your screen. On the blank screen, on the blank screen, start using CSI.
Start using CSI?
Color symbol image.
Okay.
Share your screen.
I'm sharing
yours is room number 6, right?
Yes.
So look for the slides for room number 6.
Thank you, Pallavi, for bringing me into a breakout room.
No worries. You're welcome. Okay. Now use color symbol image. That what color comes into your mind when you look at teacher relationship impact student agency? What symbol and which image? So quickly start doing it as a collaborative group. You have hardly left with time.
Yeah. We have to draw. Somebody has to draw.
You can take pictures from the net and put it here.
Okay. And
you can write the name of the color.
Okay, color. Let's take a bright color.
Yeah, maybe kids' favorite color.
Whatever comes into your mind.
Yeah. So individually we have to do, or we can do it as a group.
No, discuss it as a group and quickly put it.
How about yellow?
Yes, done. Let's.
Yeah, it's a happy.
Right, building essential agreements.
Yes, ma'am. Yeah. We can write essential agreement, then it is building. Building essential.
Essential agreements.
You have to be faster. We're running out of time.
Yeah.
Okay.
Building trust.
Building trust. How? Like making learning fun, right?
Form circle time. Circle time helps you to build so much of trust.
Yeah.
Circle time.
Personalized learning, one-on-one learning.
Yeah, bringing positive attitude.
Yes, and relationship with the parent. The parent, as rightly said, when the parent trusts you, the child automatically trusts you.
More approachable.
More
Personalized
approachable.
learning.
Yeah, it should be more approachable.
And how did he do? Yes.
Class Dojo
Success
app
there.
also can be used. Suppose if they feel that only one or two child has been targeted for feedback receiving, Class Dojo can be used. Popsicles can be used. Yeah, and randomly they can. There's a strategy. The golden specs. Okay, suppose if I'm wearing the specs, I'm going to give a feedback to the entire group, and then I hand over the specs carefully to the other person. The other person is giving feedback to the rest, whomever he wants to. So it's like the entire community in a healthy way, they receive the feedback and they are not feeling
Yeah, you know, today we just had this, we had this event in school, which is called, I work for Amity. So we had Amity's Got Talent, and whole day we were just watching talents. So we asked them to bring videos and we compiled them grade wise, and we were watching, and such fantastic. We didn't know half our children had those talents.
Social and emotional. Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds good.
Okay, I've just got teacher, parent, leadership, management, and the child. I think I'll have to put the child also outside. If I put it inside the circle.
So which one was she saying that it's not only the student, this thing, it's between, it's the teacher,
This is
between
the one.
teachers and the...
This is the one.
This
is the one.
Oh, then it is not with the students. It is...
with all
it is
stakeholders.
between, but I
With all
think it's the same.
stakeholders.
But then tell me one thing, whatever we are saying, it's the same thing. No, when you talk about open communication, honest communication, even between the teachers and the management or the leadership, there has to be honesty and open communication.
Transparency, yes. Openness.
Yes,
Again,
of course.
Where are we
shared
writing?
goals,
I can't see the screen.
Nadia is doing it. It's not very easy to, you
Put
know.
it on that slide. Put it on that slide.
डालेंगे,
Nadia.
डालेंगे.
Acha, theek hai.
We will click
We're
a
running out
picture.
of
We'll
time.
click a
All right.
No. We click a picture and put it there. So I think a shared vision also, that when the teachers, the management, the leadership, they all know this thing, then a commitment to professional development. If you're talking about teachers and management, without our professional development, we will not be able to achieve student growth or this.
Humaira, what do you think about this? Humaira?
Yes, I think I was about to say,
then you kind of they know like where they are headed, so it's like you're guiding them on that road.
Yes, so I do that at the beginning of the year. I do say that, I will reach out to you whenever it is possible, but then you need to reach out to me when you are stuck or when you need any kind of support. So
There's more clarity. There's more direction.
Correct. So we start with that book jacket activity. We start with the prior knowledge where we all share our passions and interest and everything. And then I do tell them the expectation, and I do ask them, what are your expectations from the class? What do you want me to help? So I did have children saying that, give us time for us to submit homework. Some weekends we do not want any homework. So I do make a note of it, and then I make sure that I follow that.
Student voice.
Very true.
Yes. So
very nice.
Yeah. So that is another thing which I do. And I do not get any kind of problem through the year, because it's a mutual understanding that we have discussed. So whatever they have shared, I do keep in mind. Like if they have a long weekend and they say, don't give us a homework, and I do listen to them and I say, okay, I will not.
True. Expectation needs to be set at the beginning of the year. Very rightly said.
Very, very important, because then they know what they are getting into.
Yeah.
And again, I'm talking about children who are in grade 5. So I'm sure you could, make it less for the other children.
Because they need to take ownership. So here even that comes into thing that, they are taking ownership for their work and, for what they have decided on. So they have to go by that then.
Okay. That's fair enough. We have written a lot. So good time, personal, more essential. So, see, if we are building a relationship, we can always call them as a guest speaker if they can come and share their learning.
You can also say being available whenever is needed, like by parents. So be available.
Yeah,
like
and
available for the parents.
Involve them in the learning also. You know.
Yeah, Monday reading by parents, a Monday or
Parent
reading session by
partnership.
parents.
So whenever we are having any, special, they can come as a guest speaker.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So guest speakers sessions, parents and guest speakers.
Parents as guest speaker, because then they really feel very important, and even the child also feel
because
very
they are actually partners in learning.
Yeah. So you can write.
Yeah, in our school we have a Monday reading by parent. Monday reading we have a session. Monday reading it is by parent.
Okay.
So when we are going as field trips, also that time also we can involve them. You know, they feel
involving parents in
that's okay.
Some very mindful and engaging discussions were taking place in different breakout rooms. Okay, Nisha, please take over, and Rima.
Rima, can you take over?
Yeah, someone is already sharing the screen, so I'm wondering, is it me?
I'm sharing the screen. If I'm sharing the screen, so I'll just go to room 1.
Yeah, you were sharing, Nisha.
Nisha, also, if you can just put it on present mode, then we can see the whole screen. Thank you.
How do you do it to the present? Okay, sorry.
It's here, it's written here. On your right.
On the right hand side, next to share, on the top of the ribbon, right, and go on the right hand side. Niche. Go on the right hand side. Where your name is
in
the
yellow
share. Right hand side, Baba.
Top extreme
on the
right
hand top.
Oh, sorry. Yeah. Okay.
No worries.
I think because of the.
All right. Can we give them a minute to talk about it? I hope you all are ready with your presenters. Okay, room number 1. Go ahead. Your time has started. Room number 1.
Virendra is talking about. Virendra?
Okay, I can talk it. Okay, we have to form essential agreements. Circle time also is a good idea. Personalized learning, you know, we can have a personalized relationship with them. We should be more approachable to them, you know. There should not be any wall between us. Meet and greet session with parents through Zoom or through Teams, whenever. Online coffee meet also, we can involve them. And fun activities with family and friends, you know. Celebrating days like Grandparent Day, or, you know, any function, any Diwali, or any, you know, with fun activities when we're doing with children, we can involve parents and grandparents also. They can join all over India from outside also. Parents as guest speakers, we can call them whenever we need them or whenever they can be a part of our unit. Monday reading by parents, you know, that day we can decide. Involving parents in decision making, creating parent-child rituals, one on one time. Thank you.
Group 2.
Okay.
Hurry up.
That was fast, Pallavi.
Yeah. No problem. Thank you. Group 2, your time starts now.
Oh, Pallavi, yes, yes, yes. So yes, we had to give feedback and we had to stay non-judgmental, which is sometimes, sometimes we are influenced by a lot of factors. So in our room, a lot of good discussions came out. Like, for example, Komal gave this strategy that you have to use something called the sandwich strategy, wherein you start with something positive, very positive, and in between you give those all harsh and rude, not being so rude, but when you start with a positive note, it doesn't sound harsh or rude and does not destroy the child. And at the end also end with a positive note. Archana, she came up with a wonderful strategy called the golden spectacles, wherein she is empowering the children to give feedback to the peers. And what happens when this kind of a strategy is done or practiced in the classroom, children are empowered and they become more receptive to listen and apply those strategies. Start with the positive feedback. Yes, one-on-one conferences help. We also realize, we all will agree that feedback should be ongoing. It cannot be like that every Monday I will sit and give feedback to all children, or maybe Friday I'll finish my feedback and I'll go. It cannot be like that. It should be a 360-degree approach. It should be ongoing and sometimes spontaneous as well. As we are reading Trevor, he has been repeatedly telling that empower your children, use agency. So as teachers, we sometimes forget to ask children, how did you do? What do you think about your work? So flipping the feedback is something that we also have to imbibe in our
Thank you,
teaching.
Thank you.
Yeah,
Time
first
is up.
class. Thank you.
Group
That's
3.
it.
Matt?
Go ahead. Matt, go ahead.
So,
okay, sorry. Looking at survey 8 intelligences of Harvard Gardner. This is about getting to know the passions of the students and the interests. So we could have, if it's online, they could be sharing videos and maybe a talent of their own choice. And they could do Mentimeter for show their feelings and towards interests and passions. We could emphasize the choice in reading. So literacy cards or genre of books. That's really important during the year so they can get a feel for what they like. Guiding questions, Trevor has mentioned those several times in his book. Individual connects, talking, casual conversations. This can be done usually at lunchtimes if it's on campus, at schools, or even if you attend like a extracurricular activity from the students, if you can. Simple questions, would you rather? Hobbies, sports, virtual connections, circle time, show and tell. You bring in something from home, pictures, interests, artifacts. You have a makerspace, passion projects, iTime, and of course, PYP exhibition.
Thank you.
If I may just add, if we have a few seconds left.
We are extending as it is. Please go ahead.
It's about the parent component as well, that we could involve the parents by asking them and taking a survey from them as well. What could be their interests so that they can support the learning in the units of inquiry in any way that is happening in school. Thank you.
Yes.
So Chandrai, we call it the human library. So this year we are going to call them, and we are calling them as a human library, where they come, if they are an expert in that area, they will share it and you can pose questions to them. So we've given them a special name.
Nice. Oh, lovely. Okay, room number 4. How we build the trust. Go ahead, room number 4.
Okay, Navya, can you share the image?
I think this is not what we have worked on, right? That's why I also had to join in. The one that's
I have added it on the drive.
Yes, it's already, yeah, it's in that. It's in the Google slide.
In the Google this thing.
Yeah, it is.
This is not the, Google slide I have added the
All
this
right,
thing.
then Sonia, share. It's okay. You can also
just
share.
1 second.
If it is there, then let me share. Yeah, it's there. Allow me to share.
Rima is
Nisha?
sharing.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Are you able to see my share screen?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, where, which, this thing, room 5, no, I am also open with Google Slides. I had added it.
Rima, can you see? Nadia?
Yeah, I can see.
Please
You
share.
can see
Then
the
number 4.
Yeah.
Please share. Please share. Whosoever can see, please share.
I can see.
Okay,
Please,
Rima,
Rima,
you
please
should.
go ahead. Nadia with her flavor.
This is for room number 4.
Yeah, please present it. Thank you. Go ahead, room number 4.
Okay. Yeah, so what we looked at a hexagon, and we looked at how communication comes and the different types of communication that comes in when you're talking about a community, how the child is part of that. We also looked at the outside community, parents, teachers, the leadership teams. Open communication is very, very important. Transparency, the level of commitment is so important. Having a shared vision, shared goals. The communication need not always be formal, but also a certain amount of informal conversations, very, very important. Speaking even about the cell and open feedback, the give and take of feedback, being able to take feedback also and give feedback, a very important part.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, we go to group number 5. Go ahead.
Sonam, would you like to share?
Okay, I can do it. So can we, can I see the question again? I'm so sorry.
No problem.
Can you just slide up? Yeah. To build a culture of learning that allows students to feel safe, we had this discussion that wherein the teacher being the adult should take the first step in co-constructing the essential agreements, class prayer, sitting with them, more of circle time, giving them the confidence that their anxieties, their expectations, what do they expect out of the teacher, of the classroom, of the new grade, giving them voice and choice and agency in their assessments, and that will come later on, of course. But when do they want an assessment to happen, and how do they want to do it? So those kind of things. And there was a concept of where we shared that wonder wall, designing areas in the physical times, giving them that much of ownership that you are free to do this kind of a work. And Nisha had put a very valid point that sharing the expectations, that yes, these are my expectations at the beginning of the year for you people, and then encouraging them to live up to that expectation, as in setting them for the goals very clearly to them. So these things were what we discussed. Basically.
Lovely, lovely. Let's move forward. Next group, the last group.
Group 6, we had picked up a sapling. Are you all there? I can't see
yes,
others.
because we can't see the response on the screen.
No, but I put it on the chat. We couldn't put it here for some reason.
Okay.
But on the chat box, we put the pictures. I'll just, it's a picture of a sapling. So we have chosen the color green. The image was new leaf, showing the new life to the relationship between teacher and
So Rima,
student.
can we go back to the question? It doesn't look an empty screen. Thank you. Please carry on, Meena.
Yeah. So the teacher relationship impacts students' agency. So the trust is built, and to show that, we had taken the color green of new life, and the sapling, the new leaves coming out of a sapling, and the teacher's hand. So that picture, I put it on the chat. The teacher's hand.
So how would you like to sum up this chapter? So we have the Padlet here. Give me a minute.
I think we all are emotionally choked.
It was so touching.
I could see Pallavi.
It just reminded me of my first batch. I think they are 23, 24 years old now.
So how would you like to sum up this chapter? Please take, I am putting this link. This is Padlet, and you can reflect there.
Chat.
Thank you, Rima.
Going to reflect, and thank you everyone for being here. Thank you, Pallavi.
You. Can you just stop sharing?
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.
Thank you for giving Nisha and me opportunity to be here.
Well, thank you for grabbing it, actually. It's so wonderful to have such a team of such beautiful educators together. And I'm sure this chapter has, you've touched the emotional part of all of us through your engagements, through your intention here. It's very beautiful. Thank you. And yes, you all are change makers. You are, every day you're changing a child, every day you're changing a family. You are, when we talk of doctors, you teachers are no less. So salute to everybody. Thank you for joining eCurious Minds. Be the change to bring the change. Thank you.
Thank you for having us.